Today, we've got something extra special for you. It's the opening weekend of Tiana's Bayou Adventure, and we're getting an inside look straight from a cast member. We'll uncover hidden details you don't want to miss, take you on a tour of this beautifully reimagined land, and check out 2 brand new shops. The Imagineers truly outdid themselves, and we can't wait to show you every magical touch. So grab some beignets and let's dive into the magic together. Hello, we're here for the opening weekend of Bayou Country. Tiana's Bayou Adventure just opened.
We're waiting for the ride to open. I don't know if it is. It's already 10 o'clock and it still hasn't gone, but we'll see.
This used to be Critter Country, and a long time ago this was Bear Country Jamboree, and now it is Bayou Country with Tiana's Bayou Adventure. Splash Mountain closed about a year ago, and I'll put a link to the video of when the last time we did Splash Mountain was. They rethemed the Hungry Bear restaurant to the Hungry Bear Barbecue Jamboree. Right now, to ride Tiana's, you either need a virtual queue, which is available at 7 a.m. and 12 p.m., or to use a lightning lane. And they're going to bring back the single rider line when they get rid of the virtual queue. So whenever that happens, you can ride single rider again, like they used to have for Splash Mountain.
So this is an actual New Orleans artist did these. So like for our attraction, we're known as like Tiana Foods employees. So this is her co-op. So it's kind of like her little desk area. If you look here, we have a little to-do list. And everyone has a check mark. Oh. Except who? Lewis. He forgot to hire the band. So, but yeah, here in the queue, you'll hear like our little safety spills, but also we have a radio station playing in the queue.
And it's all from New Orleans artists, you said.
So New Orleans artists helped with the soundtrack of the attraction, and also there is, if you guys have like Spotify or iTunes, there's a playlist. Tiana's Bayou Adventure playlist.
Oh, okay, cool.
So, but yeah, there's little tidbits of things from the old attraction of Splash Mountain. So you know, like a little rabbit, and you know, there's a fox. So there's little tiny things that are still paying homage.
There'd be something.
Yeah, I was wondering if there's anything in the ride from Splash Mountain still.
I don't believe anything necessarily, and if it is, it's very small that you like pass by it really quick. Everyone is invited, so it's very communal. Like, hey, Princess Tiana is having a party, and you're helping her find a band. So that's your mission, to still go to the party, but like help find that band at the end of the party.
Okay.
So yeah.
So we find the critters who are good musicians and bring them to the party.
Part of the attraction is it's taking place a year after the film, and she purchased an old aging salt dome. So also when you're walking through the queue, you'll see like little glitters. That's the salt.
We were on the one in Disney World not that long ago. I was curious if there's any differences.
We are the same exact ride. And also, if we take note, you can see that Be Jolly little chocolate box. Chocolate box might also, right there on that little desk, might also be in the attraction as well. So some of those names are of actual people for their little time card.
Okay.
I know one of them, which is one of like the, I forgot her full title, but she's like an executive creator designer. Her name is Sharita. So she's on this one here, the third one, and she should also have a name card there as well.
So she helped design it.
It's a series supposed to be coming out with Disney Plus with Princess Tiana. I don't know what it's called just yet, but I know that we're supposed to have Easter eggs in our attraction that relate to the show, and they will have Easter eggs that relate to the ride.
Gotcha.
So, yeah.
Cool.
But yeah, so this is our little co-op kitchen, so hopefully we'll see you guys later though.
All right, thanks so much, Nicole.
You're welcome.
This is the new store, Lewis's Critter Club. $250 for this statue. $80 for the Loungefly.
The ears light up.
$40 for the ears. 5 cents for the candy. Seafood seasoning? Oh. Bananas Foster, a New Orleans flavor treat. What is this?
Maybe that's what everyone's...
What do you think this is? Just like a light up decoration? How much is it? $32. Your firefly lights up by pushing the button on his back, which allows him to interact with other fireflies. Oh, they interact with each other, so you have to get more than one. So she's gonna press 1, and they're supposed to interact with each other. Oh, that's so cool. They all buzz and light up. Oh yeah. That's neat. Gumbo kit. Reserved for Mama Odie. There's the music playing critters that you'll see on the ride. This is $13. They have special Tiana treats. The other new store is Ray's Berets. What is this, his house or something? Yeah. It's like a little star. Oh, that's funny. Jar Sweet Jar. This is, I guess, where he lives. There's a little door and a mailbox right there for him. Instead of Cafe Du Monde, it's Cafe Du Pond.
Oh, it is? Oh, that's cute. I can see that.
All right, so unfortunately they're having technical issues and it is closed right now. It's been closed all morning.
They don't anticipate it to be open until afternoon with reduced capacity.
There's not even any lightning lanes available. They're only going to do virtual queue when it opens, but we don't know when that's going to be opening today. But here are some clips from the attraction in Disney World that we just went on recently, and the inside is the same as here in Disneyland. So we're going into these salt mines.
Welcome, y'all. Let's be up with Louis and find some musicians for our home. They all come to the party to play, but let's explore a bit more.
So, did you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's very good. I enjoyed it a lot. I liked it. Yeah.
It was also really good scenery. It was like cute and everything with all the flowers in the little garden.
And we figured out the storyline a little bit more. Mama Odie shrinks you down to the size of a frog so you can go underground in the underground area and search for musicians, and then she re-enlarges you and you take a shortcut to the party area.
We have to find the musicians because that was for the party. Lewis had a job, and that was to create a band, and he did not do his job. So we have to do it for him now.
All right, so Bayou Country and Tiana's Bayou Adventure is a great addition to Disneyland.
Very well themed with lots of cute stuff, and the stores are really cute, so definitely check them out. Don't just go right through them.
All right, we'll see you next time.